This oxygen sensor is installed with full tightness, and this is a Mercedes, and I'm going to insert this specially designed airbag right here. You can't buy this one. This one goes up to 500 pounds, and I'm going to pump it up between the side of the firewall, the side chassis, and it's pushing on the wrench to loosen the oxygen sensor. And to give you an idea of how much pressure it can exert, you can see how powerful this thing really is. So, stubborn oxygen sensor, just use the airbag. This will be available soon. This is just a prototype.